Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice equation for x values. X minus 2 whole to the power 6 is equal to x to the power 6. First of all, we move this x to the power 6 to the left side. X minus 2 whole to the power 6. This plus x to the power 6 becomes negative x to the power 6 at the left side is equal to 0. Now we can write this x minus 2 whole to the power 6 as x minus 2 whole cubed whole to the power 2 minus, we can write this x to the power 6 as x cubed whole to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now according to algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Here this x minus 2 whole cubed is as a and this x cubed is as b. So according to this identity, we can write this expression as x minus 2 whole cubed plus x cubed times x minus 2 whole cubed minus x cubed is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression x minus 2 whole cubed plus x cubed is equal to 0, or this expression x minus 2 whole cubed minus x cubed is equal to 0. Now according to this algebraic identity, a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. We can write this x minus 2 whole cubed plus x cubed as x minus 2 plus x times x minus 2 squared minus x times x minus 2 plus x squared is equal to 0. Next, this 1x plus this 1x, 2x minus this 2 times, now according to algebraic identity, a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This x minus 2 whole squared can be written as x squared minus 4x plus 4, and this minus x times x minus x squared, and this minus x times minus 2 plus 2x, and in the last this plus x squared plus x squared is equal to 0. Next, 2x minus 2 times this negative x squared will be cancelled with this positive x squared, and we write this x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x, and this plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here, 2x is equal to this negative 2 becomes a positive 2 at the right side, and we divide both sides by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, x is equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. This is the first value of x. Now we solve this quadratic equation. This is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to -2, and c is equal to 4. And according to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus value of b minus 2 plus or minus square root of value of b -2 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 4 divided by 2 times value of a 1. And x is equal to minus minus positive 2 plus or minus square root of -2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4, 16 divided by 2. X is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 is -12 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of, we can write this -12 as 4 times 3 times -1 divided by 2. And x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 3, and this square root of -1, square root of -1 is equal to I. So we write here I divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, here left 1, and this 2 will be cancelled with this 2. And we get two values of x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3i. From here we get two values of x. x2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 3i, and x3 is equal to 1 minus square root of 3i. So for now we have found three values of x. Now to find other three values of x, we solve this one. X minus 2 whole cubed minus x cubed is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole cubed minus x cubed is equal to 0. According to algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This x minus 2 whole cubed minus x cubed is equal to x minus 2 minus x times x minus 2 squared plus x times x minus 2 plus x squared is equal to 0. Now from here this positive x will be cancelled with this negative x, and here left -2 times, according to algebraic identity, a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This x minus 2 whole squared is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then this plus x times this x plus x squared, and plus x times -2 2x plus this x squared is equal to 0. Next, -2 times this 1x squared plus 1x squared plus 1x squared, 3x squared, and -4x minus 2x minus 6x, and in the last this plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we divide both sides by -2. This -2 will be cancelled with this -2, and here left 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to -6 and c is equal to 4. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus value of b minus 6 plus or minus square root of value of b -6 squared minus 4 times value of a 3 times value of c 4 divided by 2 times value of a 3, and x is equal to this minus and this minus becomes positive 6 plus minus square root of -6 squared is positive 36 minus 4 times 3 12 and 12 times 4 48 divided by 2 times 3 6. X is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 48 negative 12 divided by 6, and this is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of, we can write this negative 12 as 4 times 3 times -1 divided by 6, and x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 3, and this square root of -1 square root of -1 is equal to I. So we write here I divided by 6, and from here we can factor out 2 as a common factor. In bracket left 3 plus or minus square root of 3 times I divided by 6. Next, x is equal to, from here 2 1 time and 2 3 times 6. So here left 3 plus or minus square root of 3i divided by 3. So from here we get other two values of x. 4 is equal to 3 plus square root of 3i divided by 3, and x5 is equal to 3 minus square root of 3i divided by 3, and other three values of x are x1 is equal to 1, and x2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 3i, and x3 is equal to 1 minus square root of 3i. x1 is equal to 1, and x2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 3i, and x3 is equal to 1 minus square root of 3i. So these are the 5 solutions of this equation.